Hello and welcome. Today, I will guide you through the simple process of changing the language translation settings in the TikTok app on your Android mobile. This quick tutorial will help you customize your app language and translation options step by step to enhance your TikTok experience. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down the settings list until you find the Language option and tap on it. Following this, tap on Translate into. Finally, choose the language you want from the list and tap Done at the top right corner. That's how you change the language translation in TikTok on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.